Now, if you're having problems with Cyberpunk 2077 and it's crashing on your PC, well, there are a few things that you could try doing here. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go and just basically search for the following app here. So just type in run. So it's going to be system app. Let's go open it up. And you want to go and type in the following. It's going to be percentage local app data percentage. And you want to go and just click on OK. Now, by the way, you need to type in exactly the ones that you're seeing right now on my screen. Let's go and click on OK. Now, once in here, you want to go ahead and look for something like CD Project Red here. So you want to open up this folder here, and you want to look for user settings.json. Now, if you do see this, you want to go and right click on it, and you want to go and just click on open with and choose notepad. Now, the thing with this one, this is what's it may look like. So it would give you like different settings for this file here. So all you need to do is you want to go just press Control A on your keyboard at the same time to highlight everything inside it. Just press backspace or delete here. And basically, once you've deleted everything, you can go and just press Control A. Now, by the way, or Control S to save this. Now, once you've saved this, you go and just close this one. Now, by the way, before doing all of those, I would highly recommend you to save a copy of it somewhere. So just paste it or save it in a notepad just in case. But yeah, once you've done this, you can go and just close this one and boot up the game again, and that should help you. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.